This is how I replaced the control board on a KitchenAid refrigerator model KRMF. All I needed was a 1/4 inch socket and a couple of flathead screwdrivers. I removed the panel, aluminum panel in the back. Inside was a plastic panel. You take that off using the 2 flathead screwdrivers to kind of pop it off right there. Once it's removed, your control panel is right there in the middle. And I started working from the right to the left, just pinching each nodule there and removing it one by one till they were all off the control board. Once I was done, I pushed in on that, which released the control board, and that's what it looks like removed. Shipped it off, received it back a few days later, and reinstalled it, going in reverse order of how I took it out, making sure to align the pins correctly, like so, and make sure it snaps into place, and using the socket to replace the aluminum panel.